Today we're answering your most asked questions about UCaaS, including what it is and how it works. I'm Ziad, Director of Marketing at net2phone. On-premise PBX enterprise phone systems used to be the standard for all business communication. But these types of legacy communication systems don't quite fit into the modern workplace anymore. They come with hefty investment and maintenance costs. They're inflexible. They keep you tethered to the office, and not to mention, they can be quite complex. That's where UCaaS really shines. What exactly is UCaaS, or Unified Communications as a Service? Simply put, UCaaS is a cloud-based platform that brings together multiple communication tools into a single interface. Essentially, with UCaaS, you get a phone system, messaging system, and video conferencing all under one roof. This means you can use different communication devices and channels and seamlessly switch between them. A fully featured communication system that lets you work from anywhere and is highly scalable. Who manages the system? UCaaS providers like net2phone host and manage these services off-site in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about any on-site hardware or maintenance. Plus, we take care of any updates and maintenance, saving you from large capital expenditures. How exactly does it allow employees to work from anywhere? For voice communication, UCaaS systems rely on voice over IP, more commonly known as VoIP, instead of a traditional landline telephone. This technology allows voice communication over the internet using software applications or soft phones on your desktop, laptop, or mobile device. But if you prefer traditional desk phones, IP phones provide that familiar phone-like experience. What do you mean when you say UCaaS is scalable? A UCaaS platform lets you manage everything through an online portal. So you can add users, add new features, or additional capabilities with a simple update. And because there's no physical infrastructure involved, it's easy to expand to new satellite offices or remote locations. What advanced features does it have? In addition to the different communication channels like voice, video, and messaging, with UCaaS, you get many advanced features that simplify work and collaboration. These include tools like auto attendance, call routing, call forwarding, voicemail to email, call recording, screen sharing, and many more. What else can UCaaS do? Good question. UCaaS is more than just voice messaging and video conferencing. It provides analytics and reporting tools so you can draw insights into usage and performance. You can integrate with your CRM or other SaaS tools so everything works seamlessly. It provides presence information so you know who's online and available, making transfers a breeze. So there you have it, some of your most frequently asked questions about UCaaS. If you're ready to streamline your communication and collaboration, check out net2phone Unite. Thanks. See you next time.